Smart Cut Water Swivel Adapters are precision-engineered components designed to deliver a continuous flow of water, coolant, or air directly through the center of diamond core drills and other rotary tools. This internal coolant delivery reduces friction and dissipates heat effectively, ensuring optimal performance at the cutting interface. These adapters offer the best and most efficient way to drill ultra-hard materials, improve surface finish quality, and reduce material chipping. They also increase diamond drill life by up to 350%, improve drilling rates, and prevent drill breakage. By minimizing friction, they prevent overheating, preserve the material's microstructure, and ensure more consistent drilling performance. Water swivel adapters enhance drilling speed and feed rate, while preventing microcracks caused by heat buildup. They are compatible with a wide range of drilling systems and are built from high-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-term performance. With over a dozen standard models in stock and custom options available, improve your productivity and ROI with Smart Cut Water Swivel Adapters.